Hey YouTube, welcome back to our channel, Farm to Travel, where we cover our two passions, travel and life on our homestead. So if you're interested in any of those two topics, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so getting back from our 7-night cruise on Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas, I definitely realized that in hindsight, there were some items that I could not go without. They definitely made life a lot easier on the cruise. And so if you're being strategic about space and your planning and your packing, definitely watch this video because I'm going to cover my top 7 essential items that I think that you should definitely prioritize when packing for your cruise. Okay, starting with number 1, Wrinkle Releaser. Cruise ships do not provide irons in the rooms just because they pose too big of a fire hazard, and you are definitely not allowed to bring one either. So the best way to stay wrinkle-free is to bring a generous amount of Wrinkle Releaser. I honestly used it daily, and it also left my clothes smelling fresh, and it got rid of that really musty suitcase smell. Okay, so the second thing on my list is disposable plastic shower caps. I know it sounds really weird, but for a couple of dollars, you could just go to Walmart and pick up a bag of like 50 of them, and they actually served a dual purpose for me. Of course, you could use it in the traditional sense and use it whenever you're ready to have a shower, but you're not quite ready for that wash day. But what I loved using them for is to actually separate some of my dirty items from my clean items, like in my suitcase or my bags, especially when it comes to shoes. Okay, the third on my list is magnetic hooks. Most staterooms don't really offer a whole lot of hooks, and you really want to organize your stuff because a lot of the staterooms are teeny tiny, and it's just a really easy way to upgrade your room. You might get a pair or two in your cabin, but that's really not enough for all of your bags, hats, clothes, and everything else. So definitely pack your own strong magnetic hooks because they will come in handy, especially when paired with my next must-have items. Clips. Especially when you and your family have been swimming all day and you need your clothes to dry really quickly, the best place to dry them is outside. But if it's windy, you definitely want to have your clips. We popped a magnetic hook outside, grabbed a clothes hanger, and clipped our wet clothes on there for a quick DIY clothesline. Of course, you could use these for drying your towels on those super windy days. Number 5 on my list is a sleep machine. The walls are super thin and most people are enjoying the nightlife because why wouldn't you? But if you're ready to go to bed and you've had a really long day and you just want to get some shut-eye, all you're hearing is footsteps and laughing and giggling and all of that. The best thing to do is just to bring a sleep machine so that you could fall asleep to some white noise. It really made a big difference for us whenever we were trying to get some sleep, and especially with our kids. So the sleep machine definitely made it on my top 7. Number 6 on my list are space saver bags. These are absolutely amazing, very practical. I'm guessing that you're going to be doing a lot of shopping while you're at the ports or on the ship. And so at the very end of your trip, these are perfect in kind of maximizing your space in your suitcase, but it also provides a practical way to keep your dirty clothes separated from your clean clothes if you didn't get a chance to wash everything or not everything dried in time. It's just a great way to separate those items. So last but not least, bring extra hangers. They do not provide nearly enough hangers, especially if you've spent all of this time wrinkle releasing all of your clothes. You want a place to just hang them. And I think when we were there, they might have given us 5 or 6 for my closet and 5 or 6 for Reese's. And so with all the kids and all of their stuff, I didn't have nearly enough. And so I did pack a few extras. I kind of wish I packed a little more. So definitely bring extra hangers if you plan on cruising. That is my top 7 essential items that you cannot go without when packing for a cruise. So if you like this video and it's helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos just like this.